Talking about exams in Ukraine, we have to pass two exams here. It's CROC 1 and CROC 2. CROC 1 we need to pass after third year. It's a examination that is generally based on basic sciences, whereas CROC 2 is an examination that is based on our clinical knowledges.
CROC 1 is all about the preclinical subjects, while CROC 2 is about the clinical subjects. I passed my CROC 1 with 91% last year, 2019.
The crocs, they are not very difficult as many people think. They are very easy. If you have a basic knowledge of the subjects which you are taught, you can easily pass croc. Anyone and everyone can pass croc. You just need to put a little effort.
In other countries, we don't have this type of exam to revise our concept which we have studying in our initial years. But here, we can do this with the help of CROC. In CROC, we revise all the things we have studied in our initial years of medicine.
Among many aspiring students and our juniors, there is a common misconception that CROC 1 examination is a very, very tough examination to crack. But according to my experience on passing and preparing for the exam, it's not so tough. It's just based on our perspective of how we see the subjects and up to how far we know the base of the subjects. If you learn the concepts and we are thorough with the basic sciences and concepts, it's a very easy examination to crack.
In my point of view, if you will start studying from first year itself and you will come to university regularly, then there is nothing tough like that. And also, if you want to study more conceptual and more thorough knowledge about MCI also, then there are some classes here in Ukraine. I was a topper also in third year. I got 94%.
Talking about the university, they provide huge support and provide all aids to our knowledge and to increase our knowledge. And those students who need an extra push, they are supported by our seniors as well. They provide tuitions and other classes, extra classes.
I started my CROC preparation from the very beginning of the third course. The teachers at the university are very, very helpful.
From my 5 years of experience, I can say that don't have a second thought of choosing Ukraine. It's a very nice place to study. For the new people who are coming here, I just want to say that it's a very beautiful place to study. In here, we are like 5,000 Indians studying over here.
For juniors, those who are coming to Ukraine, I would like to tell you, like, coming here is the best decision that you can take. And CROC 1 and CROC 2 is not that, it's just medicine. If you will study continuously, you will come to classes, you will pass, and you will pass MCI also.